Imagine standing on the moon. The sun is blazing right next to you, blindingly bright. Yet if you look up, the sky isn't blue. It is pitch black. With trillions of burning stars scattered across our universe, why doesn't their combined light turn the night sky into a glowing wall of fire? To understand this, we have to look at how light actually works. Think of a laser pointer. If you shine it across a perfectly clean, dust-free room, you won't see the beam itself. You only see a dot on the wall. But if you throw some chalk dust into the air, the beam suddenly lights up. This is exactly what happens on Earth. Our planet is wrapped in a thick blanket of air, dust, and water droplets. When sunlight hits these tiny particles, it bounces around in every direction. This scattering is what fills our sky with bright blue light. But space is a vacuum. It is almost completely empty. There is no air, no dust, and nothing for the sunlight to bounce off of. So when you look at space, you are looking at pure emptiness. Light travels through it in straight lines, completely invisible, until it hits something like a planet, or your eyes. But wait, that only explains why the empty space between stars looks dark. What about the stars themselves? If the universe is infinite, and it has been around forever, then no matter where you look in the night sky, your line of sight should eventually hit a star. The sky should be completely packed with them. It should be as bright as the surface of the sun, even at midnight. This puzzle is so famous, it actually has a name: Olbers paradox. Most people think the sky is dark simply because those distant stars are too far away, or because their light gets blocked by cosmic dust. But that is actually wrong. If you have infinite stars, their combined light would eventually warm up any dust until it started glowing too. So why is it dark? The secret lies in two mind-bending facts about our universe. First, the universe is not infinitely old. It started about 13.8 billion years ago. Because light takes time to travel, we can only see stars that are close enough for their light to have reached us by now. The light from the most distant stars is still on its way. It is like a cosmic delivery truck that hasn't arrived yet. But there is an even weirder reason. The universe is constantly expanding. It is stretching in every direction, like a massive rubber band. As light travels through this expanding space toward Earth, the light waves themselves get stretched out. Think of a spring being pulled apart. By the time this ancient starlight reaches our eyes, its waves have been stretched so wide that they are no longer visible light. They have turned into infrared light and microwaves. Space is actually glowing right now. It is filled with the leftover light from the creation of the cosmos, but our human eyes simply cannot see it without special telescopes. To us, it just looks like a cold, empty void. If our eyes could suddenly see all that stretched out, invisible light, what do you think the night sky would actually look like?